We have everything you need, whether you need to install free software on a new computer or are looking for free substitutes for pricey software. Next, I'll show you 5 free programs in various categories that we believe to be the greatest in each category. All of these programs are feature-rich, and the majority of them are accessible on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification so that, whenever I publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Let's get started. Our first pick is Vivaldi. Is the absolute best created by one of the co-founders of Opera. It is the most feature-packed any browser available. In addition to blocking sites from tracking you, there's a handy sidebar to easily access your favorite sites and other features. Their tap tooling lets you easily create a split-screen view. It's highly customizable, and because it's based on Chromium, you can install Chrome extensions. Unlike another well-known browser, they don't feel the need to pay you a nearly worthless cryptocurrency to use it. They believe you'll actually want to use it because it's good. Vivaldi is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. And at number 2 is LibreOffice, a must-have for most people's in Office suite like Microsoft Office. If you don't want to pay for it, be completely free and open-source LibreOffice is hard to beat. It includes alternatives to Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. Over the years, compatibility with Microsoft Office format has improved quite a bit. And with large team of developers, it's updated on a regular basis. To enhance the functionality, templates and extensions are available to improve your experience using it. LibreOffice is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. On a side note, LibreOffice does not include an alternative to Microsoft Outlook. If you need a free email client, Thunderbird from the makers of the Firefox browser. What we recommend is available for the 3 major operating systems as well. Up next is VLC Media Player. The media players built into most operating systems are lacking in functionality and features. VLC Media Player, on the other hand, is packed full of features and is the absolute best for playing the video or audio files on your computer. It does not track you and there are no ads or spyware. It gets the job done quickly with no hassles or need to install codec packs, and it supports just about any audio or video file you can think of, including those weird formats you may have never heard of. VLC Media Player is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. And at number 4 is ShareX. If you need a more advanced screenshot tool than what's built into your operating system, we have 2 picks for you. The first of which is the free and open source ShareX for Windows Online. For those of you that have seen our tutorials, you already know how fully featured it is when compared to the built-in snipping tool. More than a dozen capture methods are included, and you can even record what's on your screen. It includes a good variety of annotation tools, and they make it easy to upload your screenshot or recording. Our last pick is OBS Studio. If you need software to record or stream what is on your screen, the free and open source OBS Studio is what you need. In fact, it's better than most paid-for programs. And unlike most of its free competitors, it does not have any time limits or watermarks. Lets you set up an unlimited number of scenes. An audio mixer is included with power source filters, and it can be configured how you want it. OBS Studio doesn't require that you have a computer that can handle it. We recommend having a PC with 8 GB of RAM to avoid any stuttering or lagging issues. It's not the easiest to get set up, just like the others. In this video, we do have a beginner's guide that will help you to get set up and use it. OBS Studio is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description. What free programs do you use that you think are great? Let us know in the comments. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share with others. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on our latest software videos and other tech-related stuff here on Mr. Lim.